Introducing The Only Truth, All Equals Change and Balance by Rhonda Pottinger. After over 3 decades of meticulous crafting, I am thrilled to share a glimpse of my transformative book with you. Thank you immensely for taking the time to listen. Dive into the profound insights of The Only Truth, All Equals Change and Balance, available on Amazon in both hardcover and Kindle editions. With the hardcover, you'll unlock an exclusive QR code for seamless access to the enriching audio experience. Do you prefer the digital realm? Visit rondipottinger.com to acquire your copy and explore dynamic audio and video content, easily projectable to your television, for an immersive journey into the heart of truth. Your support means the world to me, and I eagerly anticipate engaging with you further through the pages of my book. Feel free to reach out with any questions or thoughts. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Embrace peace and love as you embark on this enlightening adventure. Thank you for being a part of The Only Truth, All Equals Change and Balance journey.
The Only Truth, All Equals Change and Balance by Rhonda Pottinger. Copyright 2024 Rhonda Pottinger. All rights reserved. ISBN 9798321305294. www.rondipottinger.com rondipottinger@gmail.com. Welcome. We stand as stewards of intelligence, neither above nor below, but in service to the Supreme Infinite Intelligence. With more than mere humility, I approach you with a wealth of experience, patience, love, and guidance. Our leadership transcends the mundane, embracing a cosmic essence, while our guidance flows freely, unbound by constraints. In clarity unrivaled, I bring forth truths unmasked by any before me. I arrive bearing the gift of freedom, boundless and infinite, bestowed upon us by the grace of supreme intelligence. This divine allowance has permitted my journey alongside such greatness, and I express boundless gratitude for the privilege of sharing these insights with you, my esteemed siblings. May this exchange of supreme wisdom and affectionate care resonate deeply within your beings, reaching the pinnacle of your supremacy. In the realms of supreme consciousness, we shall convene, enveloped in infinite happiness, joy, rest, and love, eternally grateful to the All. With unwavering loyalty and devoted service to intelligence, let us harness this wisdom to guide humanity through the currents of change and restore balance to the cosmic cycle. My name is Rhonda Pottinger. Born in 1973 in Norway, Manchester, Jamaica, West Indies. Why did I write this book? The reasons run deep, stemming from a lifelong journey of grappling with external influences. From my formative years amidst the untamed beauty of Jamaica, where nature whispered its secrets to me, to my role as a farmer forging bonds with animals, I found myself attuned to a different understanding of the divine. Raised amid the teachings of various churches, I gradually became disillusioned with the portrayal of God I encountered. It struck me that something fundamental was wrong in how divinity was imparted to us. Later in life, as the custodian of an extensive African history archive, I delved into ancient wisdom, immersing myself in Kemetic principles and the origins of religious doctrines. Through this journey, I gleaned insights into the establishment of spiritual systems and the underlying truths they obscure. Despite this wealth of knowledge, a sense of inner equilibrium, a definitive truth, continued to elude me. Years of contemplation and study led me to the conviction that an ultimate truth must exist, a universal paradigm transcending individual beliefs. This book is perhaps a small contribution to humanity's quest for enlightenment. Our world stands at a precipice, facing myriad challenges, and we must reassess our paradigms and construct more equitable systems. I felt a calling, a responsibility, to challenge conventional modes of thought and pave the way for a new understanding of God, a concept accessible even to a child yet potent enough to heal nations. Inscribing these words was also an act of protection, shielding my daughter and future generations from the skewed narratives that persist in our society. It was a homage to Ma'at, to the ancient traditions that once bound us to the cosmos and each other. This book is a testament to my soul's yearning for expression, a manifestation of truths that flowed through me, transcending my individuality. It is my truth, your truth, the only truth, and in sharing it, I hope to ignite a spark of recognition in kindred spirits who resonate with its essence. I extend my gratitude to those who journey alongside me, whether in spirit or solidarity. Thank you for acknowledging the significance of this endeavor, for it is through our collective humility and receptivity that the seeds of transformation are sown. With deepest sincerity, Rondai Pottinger.
Thank you once more for your attention. Remember, The Only Truth awaits you on Amazon. With the hardcover edition, you can experience the flexibility of listening to it anywhere. Whether you're on the road, simply scan the QR code and tune in through your car radio. Lounging at home, project it onto your television for an immersive experience. Or opt for the digital version and enjoy it conveniently on your phone. This book is a game changer, and I'm excited for you to delve into its wisdom. Take care, and don't forget to visit rondipottinger.com or search for The Only Truth, All Equals Change and Balance on Amazon. Have a wonderful day.